Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, April 5th, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have Windows 10 Redstone 5. Another skip ahead build was released yesterday to insiders on the skip ahead, of course. This is the future of Windows, the after Spring Creators Update. And basically, this is, of course, has a few new features, including improvements to the sets feature. And of course, a review will be coming up today. So if you're on the Insider channel, as this is Insider only, for the skip ahead, I only do the Insider channel reviews. Check it out, and you'll see what is what's new in here and how stable it is. Well, if you're a IoT fan, Microsoft announced that it will invest $5 billion in the next 4 years in Internet of Things devices. It says it will help everyone from home user to business users with all sorts of devices, and some of that IoT investment also involves cloud and IoT devices working together. Well, Google says it will block cryptocurrency mining extensions for Google Chrome. More and more of these have been actually appearing in the Chrome store. It says it's got enough, and enough is enough. And they say that the ones that are there already doing some crypto mining will also be removed, as they don't want to have cryptocurrency mining in the browser. Well, a study that seems to confirm that after looking at several hundred types of jobs in IT, 63% of the time, men are paid more than women for the same job. So it seems that when we talk about, the fact that women and men are not equal in the salary for a given job, it seems that it is also in the IT field. And maybe if we want to have more women available for IT, maybe we need to fix that. Well, we learned that, of course, Cambridge Analytica, it's not 50, but 87 million users that actually have been, kind of its data scooped up. And of course, Cambridge Analytica is in hot water. Facebook also, but it's kind of a shared problem here. It's not just a Facebook problem. It's also, a breach of trust, basically, from Cambridge Analytica. So 87 million users, apparently. Well, as a shooting was going on at the YouTube headquarters, a YouTube manager Twitter account was hacked and started spreading fake news while the shooting was going on in its headquarters, and that much more fake and undesirable news was released. And it is actually giving us an insight of why do these people do this? Why are we trying to propagate fake news off of all of this? It's kind of an interesting question to ask. And Google employees are kind of going a little bit to war against the company, as it is actually working on AI for the US military and the Pentagon. And a lot of the employees, and we know that Google employees are usually more on the Pacific side. They don't want to have war machines and stuff like that. Well, a lot of the employees say that Google should simply get out of that contract and not work with the Pentagon. So this is going to be interesting to see if it has an impact. Microsoft will actually let its partners keep patents for devices and technologies when they are actually co-created with Microsoft. In some cases, it will actually share the patent in a way that actually will be fair and make sure that everybody has a winning, will be winning on this new technologies and the patents that are actually going with that, which is nice because before Microsoft often wanted to have the exclusive patents for most of the devices and the technologies that were discovered. But now it says it will share these patents and even let some of the third party or other companies keep them. Intel has said that some of the older processors that it had planned to actually fix for the Spectre problem will finally not be patched after all. They say that, first of all, there's a side of some of these older CPUs that are more complex to fix, and also the fact that they just don't want to, basically. If you're a Office 365 user, interesting changes to OneDrive. OneDrive will now have a file restoration feature rolling out in the next few weeks, ransomware protection, and Outlook.com will give you the possibility to have email encryption. So this is interesting, but unfortunately, even though it is also for the consumer, it is and will be reserved mostly for those that are on the Office 365 program. And this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, April 5th, 2018. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.